right? Multi-dimensional arrays. Okay, now we discuss what are the valid declarations. In single dimensional array, we discuss what are the valid declarations. In two dimensional arrays also we discuss what are the invalid declarations and valid declarations. Right? Yeah, guys. Right. First one, first declaration. Integer array of 3 and 4. Is it valid or not? 3 and 4. 3 rows and 4 columns. 3 rows and 4 columns. How many variables it creates? Okay. It creates. How many variables it creates, guys? Yeah, Prudvi.
Sir,
How many variables it creates? 3 by 4.
12.
12 variables. Yeah, yes. It creates 12 variables. Creates 12 variables. And what is size 3 by 4? It is 3 by 4, 3 rows and 4 columns. Size of array. What is size of array? If it is 16-bit compiler, it is a compiler dependent, right? Okay, if it is 16-bit compiler, now what is the size? 12 variables. 12 variables into 2 bytes, that is 24 bytes will be allocated. 24 bytes. Okay, first declaration. Write a first declaration. After that, we write a diagram. Okay, how it allocates the memory. Okay, A00, A01, A02, 3 rows and 4 columns. A03. Next one, A10, A11, A12, and A13. A20, A21, A22, and A23. Okay, two subscripts. First one denotes rows, second one denotes columns. Right? Now how many variables create? 12 variables creates. All are garbage values. All are garbage values. Okay, how it allocates memory also I will explain. How it allocates memory. Continuous memory locations it allocate. Continuous memory location. First these four will be allocated. We'll check it. What are the memory locations? What are the variables? I will show you in the program. What are the memory? Okay. It creates 12 variables. All are garbage values. Second declaration. Yeah, second declaration we discuss. Second one. Right. This is what? Int 4 by 3. This is also valid. This is a 4 rows and 3 columns. 4 rows and 3 columns. This is also valid. Size is same 24 bytes. Compiler dependent. If it is a 16-bit compiler, 25 bytes it allocates. And write 3, 4 also. Third one. Third one. Without mentioning a size, we cannot declare int a of a of. This is invalid. Error it is. And fourth one also. Fourth one, fifth one. Check it once. What is fourth one and fifth one? In declaration of 2D array, mandatory to mention row and column sizes. In array declaration, size is mandatory. Okay, we need to mention the size. We need to mention the size. Sixth one. Sixth one we discuss. Sixth one. Yeah, int array of 2 by 3. When you declare 2 by 3, how it takes the values. Okay, which one is a which variable, right? If I declare 2 by 3, continuously if I take, then which value it takes? Okay, 10 is a A00, 10, 20, 30, and 40, 50, 60. It takes like this in the matrix format, right? If you are not mentioning anything, directly it takes this. Next, seventh one. Seventh one. Okay, if you declare like this, rest of all elements it initialize with zeros. Example C, if you write like this, first value is how much? In the first row, we declared 10, 20, 30. In second row, okay, 40 we created. First element is 40, second element is 0, and third element is 0. This is also 0. And what about 56? This is 50, and this is 60. And what is the other value? That is 0. Rest of all elements, it initializes with zeros. This is the first row, this is second row, and third row. 10, 20, 30 is okay. 40, there is no elements, it takes other two elements is 0. Here 50, 60 only you have written. Other element, you take it as 0. What are the addresses it takes, we discuss. How to access using pointers also. Next one, eighth one. Finish the seventh one. Next one, eighth one. Eighth one is error. Without mentioning a size, we cannot initialize them. Once see, Which one is valid? We check it once. Now program execution starts from main example. I want to declare int of equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. Is it valid? Does it take a 2 by 2 matrix? We check it. Can I declare like this? Is it valid or not? We check it. See, it is error. Size of the type is unknown. Size of the type is unknown. Without declaring a size, without declaring. If it is single dimensional array, it is valid. Guys, see guys. If it is single dimensional array, there is no errors. If it is single dimensional array, there is no errors. If it is a double dimensional array, if it is double dimensional array, it is a error. It is error. And one more. Now I am declaring a rows. Now I am declaring rows. Is it valid? See, this is error. Okay, now I'm declaring a columns. I'm declaring columns. See this? Without rows, we can mention the array declare. We can declare array, but without columns, we can't declare. Clear? Understood? How many columns? 3 columns are there. Okay, see, those 2 points are there. First write this. This is error. Ninth one. See, this is error. With rows is error. With columns is not error. Valid it is. Write 8th, 9th, 10th. Without sizes, it's error. With row also error. With columns, it's not error. Valid it is.